Welcome, fellow explorers of knowledge, to White Hills. I'm your guide on this extraordinary journey through the realms of science and discovery. On this channel, we will embark on a quest to unravel the mysteries of the universe, delve into the depths of scientific wonders, and ignite our curiosity like never before. Together, we will navigate the vast landscape of knowledge, exploring everything from mind-bending theories to groundbreaking discoveries. Science is the key that unlocks the door to understanding the world around us. It's a perpetual adventure, fueled by curiosity, where each new answer only leads to more questions. From the marvels of the cosmos to the intricate workings of the human body, we'll dive deep into the realms of biology, physics, chemistry, and beyond. Through engaging experiments, thought-provoking discussions, and captivating visuals, we'll explore the wonders of science together. I'll be your enthusiastic companion, sharing the latest discoveries, entangling complex concepts, and shedding light on the mysteries that captivate our imagination. But this channel is not just about the facts and figures. It's about nurturing our curiosity, encouraging critical thinking, and igniting a passion for discovery within each and every one of you. Whether you're a seasoned scientist or a curious learner, there will be something here to quench your thirst for knowledge. So, if you're ready to embark on an awe-inspiring journey, to venture into the realms of the unknown, and to unlock the secrets of the universe, then hit that subscribe button and join our community of explorers here at White Hills. Together, we'll unlock the wonders of science and discover the limitless possibilities that lie ahead. Thank you for joining me today. Get ready to embark on an extraordinary adventure with White Hills. Remember, the greatest discoveries often begin with a single spark of curiosity. Let's ignite that spark and explore the wonders of science and discovery together. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to White Hills for more captivating content. Until our next journey, stay curious, keep exploring, and embrace the thrill of scientific discovery. See you soon. Thanks for watching.